Hello, here is my project Food Meal app. So in this project, I am using HTML, CSS and JavaScript and fetching from the API for if you want any search of food item, here is show the list here. So for example, I am searching K. You can see all the items are listed here and you can also add to the favorite. For example, I am adding all these things favorite button. You can go and check there in favorite mail. This will new page I have created. So here you can see the favorite button. And one interesting thing is you can also get the recipe also how to make the cake. So here you can see all the recipe and you can also watch the video. So let's go to the code. So here I'm using one index.html file and here I'm in this I'm using navigation bar and here you can see I'm using the div function for search bar. And this will div function for container for displaying the meals, and this will go but back button you can see here. I'll show you. For example, you can get the recipe and click, and if you go back then you will click the go back. So here I am using go back button, and here also you can see the title of meal, what you want to search, watch video, and I am using CSS file to styling the page. You can see here, and let's go to the JavaScript file. So here I am using for selectors. For this one I am using search text element document.get element by id search meal input, and here also I am using event listener function to search meal and click button, close recipe detail, get recipe detail. You can see here meal search result container. I am using get recipe details, and here I am using this function for search for meal. For example, if you want to any type of search, any type of food item, you can search here. This will fetch from the API. See here, this one is the API, and I am using this API from here full the meal DB, and see here search meal by name. This one is fetching from the data and to the list item, and here is the HTML file to give the detail of food item. And here this function is used for get recipe details. In this good recipe details, you can I have used API lookup data. For example, here you can see the lookup. So in this meal DB, you can see here lookup full. This one is using for full meal details. This API using the full details of your food item what you have searched. For example, you can see here get recipe detail. This one is lookup data, and this function is used for add recipe details, and this one is close recipe details, and here is the I am using favorite button. So this function is used for what you have added to in favorite. This one is added in favorite, and again I have using one favorite script.js. So here also as well same as the script function. For example, I have using fetching from the data, then you have go to the favorite meals, and there also you can search fetch the data and what you have. For example, you have to search any type of meal and go to the favorite button. For example, I will go back favorite meal and you go to the get recipe. This one is the other linking in JavaScript, for that's why I'm using here favorite.script.js, and I'm using also favorite.html for using the designing the page, and same as the style.css, both are the same using in styling. So yeah, let's go to the favorite. So here you can see add favorite meals. So in this I am using this function of helper function that append favorite meal to the container, and if you want to remove this function is removed through the favorite button. For example, I want to remove in this recipe, so you can click the remove. This one is remove. For example, you can remove. See, it's working.